Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me your teacher Mushtaq Rahman, Vera Foundation College Nosharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to revise some topics in Microsoft Excel that play the major role in our daily life, especially in business side. So Excel is defined as that Excel is one of the programs that is used to calculate, analyze or organize data into cells. So dear students, in Excel there are some special functions that are performed in calculating data, manipulation of data and other aspects are also performed in computer system by using the Excel. So this is the home tab, and home tab is the first tab of all the tabs that is used to edit or type data in different forms. Second one is insert. Dear students, insert tab is used to insert some shapes or charts or other pictures, skills, shapes, smart art, charts and other tools in our program. So dear students, today we are going to study about the insert. So dear students, insert tab is used to insert shape, insert clip art, insert smart art, insert picture or insert table on our document by using Microsoft Excel. Okay dear students, so Excel also enables us to insert shapes, insert smart art or insert charts on our document. So dear students, today we have studied about insert tab, and insert tab enables us to insert different tools on our document, or insert is used to insert some shapes or charts on our document. And dear students, today's your lecture is winded up, and your homework is to make a mark sheet of your class and insert column chart on your Excel. So dear students, your lecture is ended here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Allah Hafiz.